COVID-19. Today, we will be talking about COVID-19 vaccine. But first, let me discuss what is the reason behind this vaccine and why we should take it. I will be discussing the myths and misconception of the vaccine as well. Let's start from the beginning. COVID-19. In December 1st, 2019, Chinese authorities informed the whole world about the spread of COVID-19. The following months, it spread to other countries with cases increasing day by day. The virus at the time was quite alarming. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, tiredness, sore throat, headache, loss of taste, and difficulty of breathing. There are other symptoms of COVID-19 depending on the human's body. Some are even asymptomatic, means they don't have any symptoms at all. Because of the rapidly spreading of the virus, curfews, quarantines, and lockdowns have been implemented in numerous countries and territories around the world. The vaccine. Because of COVID, scientists and researchers are working in labs to find a solution for the virus. This took months and months of experiments and clinical trials. Finally, at the end of 2020 and earlier of 2021, the COVID-19 vaccines was announced to the public. How does COVID-19 vaccine works? After you have been exposed to a virus or an infection, our immune system remembers the threat and produces antibodies. Antibodies are proteins used by our immune system to identify and neutralize foreign bacteria and viruses, thereby preventing or minimizing illness, and vaccine copies this process. The vaccine includes a fragment of the mRNA that encodes for a certain portion of the coronavirus spike protein. Then, our bodies build an immune response to the protein. Once the vaccine is discovered, numbers of checkpoints exist before administered to the people. Benefits of COVID-19 vaccine. Number 1. COVID-19 vaccination will help keep you from getting COVID-19. Number 2. COVID-19 vaccination is a safer way to help build protection. Number 3. COVID-19 vaccination will be an important tool to help stop the pandemic. Side effects of the vaccine and when to call the doctor. COVID-19 vaccination will protect you from getting COVID-19. You may have some side effects which are normal signs that your body is building protection. Common side effects where you got shot, pain, redness, swelling, and you may feel tiredness, headache, muscle pain, chills, fever, and nausea. When you feel this kind of symptoms, there is nothing to worry about. When to call the doctor. If the redness or tenderness where you got the shot gets worse after 24 hours, and if your side effects are worrying you or do not seem to be going away after a few days, then you need to call or visit your doctor. Now let's talk about myths and misconceptions about COVID-19 vaccine. The COVID-19 vaccine is unsafe because it was developed so quickly. The authorized vaccines are proven safe and effective. Although they were developed in record time, they have gone through the same rigorous Food and Drug Administration process as others vaccines, meeting all safety standards. The COVID-19 vaccine includes a tracking device. A video shared thousands of times on the internet makes false claims about the product of syringe inserting a tracking device to the people. The chip itself is not injected into the person getting the vaccine. The COVID-19 vaccine causes infertility in women. The truth is, there's an amino acid sequence shared between the spike protein and placental protein. However, experts says it's too short to trigger an immune response and therefore doesn't affect fertility. I've already been diagnosed with COVID-19, so I don't need to receive the vaccine. Well, if you have already had COVID-19, There's evidence that you can still benefit from the vaccine. At this time, experts don't know how long someone is protected from getting sick again after recovering from COVID-19. Once I received the COVID-19 vaccine, I no longer need to wear a mask. Wearing a mask, hand washing, and physical distancing remain necessary until sufficient number of people are immune. The best protection we can offer each other right now is to continue to follow current guidelines. You can get COVID-19 from the vaccine. No, you cannot get COVID-19 from the vaccine because it doesn't contain the live virus. Reminder, if you have any diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, asthma, and other kind of diseases, please consult your doctor before getting the vaccine. Get COVID-19 vaccine to protect yourself and the people around you.